Today is going to be an interesting day of trade. Look at this market. Look at this trend. Trend is down, which says that we should continue trading down. But here, we're seeing a consolidation period forming. Does it mean it's going to reverse? Or does it mean it's going to continue? Let's say and see. Greetings, everyone. This is Gerard. You're here to see me trade and learn from my trades. I've had some amazing trades. I've had some frustrating trades, but the idea is every day you get better, and your bad trades, your bad day of trades, never go before or never go beyond your best day of trade. Just like a business. That being said, let's look at the market right now. So right now it is 8:30. As you know, my rule is that I always wait for the dust to settle before I engage myself with a trade. Right now there is I'm seeing some simple moving average crosses. Good. 8:30. But first, as you know, with all consolidation period, you have to move past a high or a low. If we consider this the high of the movement and then this the low, we're gonna see this. Now, that being said, we might see a cross here. Or a short reversal. This might be a good sign, but it would have to again cross the previous high. See this line? This line solidifies the previous high. But whenever I see those tail, like this sign here, you see this sign? I'm gonna make it bigger so you can admire this. I always think of this as a movement is brewing. Possibly reversal. So let's see if we're gonna get a cross, a simple moving average cross, and then eventually confirmation. Then we'll risk a trade. Everything we do is a risk. We hedge our risks and we choose the one that fit our account or risk management rules and the probability of those trades. I'm looking at the 200 ticks chart, the 400 ticks chart. There's a chance that we might get some form of harmonization. Do you see how here you get, see? Here you got a simple moving average cross. And you got one here too. The only problem is that we didn't get a confirmation. But are we gonna get one here with, okay, we got one with in the 400 ticks chart. So right now, here's what's in my space. We're getting a confirmation. The only thing it can do is make this the new low or continue and have this touch this line and not cross it. And then we have to exit if this happens. If this doesn't happen decisively, we have to exit. But first, show me that you're gonna cross the previous low of the movement, this one here. It's not crossing it. Tail. This line. It's not crossing it. There's been a lot of that lately. The market being very indecisive. And so time to just wait. wait for it to do its thing. 1, 2 consecutive, but then it reversed. I'm out. Okay, that's an interesting trade. What I'm going to do right away is remember that this is the previous low. This is possibly a consolidation period again. Okay, if it crosses this, it's possible that it's announcing itself as, the safest thing right now, if you wanna play it safe, would be to just wait for the market to cross those lines. We probably won't get a lot, but that would be the safest thing. And you know what? Maybe that's what we need to do. $8.35. It's $8.35 right now, and we are at the mercy of the market, trying to give us a movement for us to jump on in and make a profit. Okay, right now I'm seeing this here. Is this a confirmation we've been wanting? Is this the confirmation that's going to give us our glory? So this would be confirmation. The next candle would need to eventually just go and cross the high of the confirmation. You want the candle, you don't jump on the confirmation candle. You jump on the candle that confirms that it might be a good trade. But guess what? Maybe we should stop calling it confirmation. Maybe we should call it the second part confirmation. That's the first one, second one, and this would have been the third one. Then we jump in. See this? I can spell doom forming in front of me. I can spell doom forming in front of me. Mount Doom. Right now, the market is navigating onto the eye of Sauron. This is Mordor, because you have no movement. It's pushing up, retreating, Mordor. We are in a price Mordor. Interestingly, but I must say something. If you look at price action since this morning, man, it's been an amazing movement down. Maybe it's just one of those movements where the market says, I've ran a lot, just like in old blues. I've ran a lot. Now I got to grab my guitar. Is that blues or country? I don't know. But I ran a lot. This is time for me to just settle. And don't mess with me, because your account will meddle. Trying my best. That being said, I don't have a lot of faith this morning. I know what's going to happen. I know at some point it's going to break out and give us 10 points. Whether I'm going to be here to catch it or not, that's a different story. My first session normally ends around 8:45 Central Time. See those candles with the tails? What is the way we call these? Succession. Oh, what? Okay. Succession of indecision. For us to enter, this is the first confirmation. Second and the third would be crossing the high. Then let's get it. What? cross the high. Okay. Let's wait and see. In a moment it becomes a green. Ooh, okay. Now we have this level to cross. That's the interesting level. If it crosses this, maybe there's hope. At least there's hope for 2 points. But then you have this level, which sometimes those simple moving averages act as the end of the line. Let's wait and see what it's going to do. Said, is it gonna cross this candle's high or just continue down? If not, I will exit. This is not. We're seeing some movement going back up. Not a lot of momentum, honestly. Not a lot of momentum. Our trading session is almost over. Let's see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna get a movement up? Is it gonna cross the previous low? It's touching this line. Is it gonna cross it? Do know that ideally, let's see, 59. Ideally, we would want it to give us a good 2 points. Why not? But then it has to cross the previous high here, and then cross this line and give us 2 points. So you have to remember there's also this level here, which is this moving average, which is the 70 period moving average. The average of the last 70 candles. If it touches it and doesn't cross it decisively, this is a problem. Looks like the same thing here as well. But right now it's having trouble moving past the previous high, the last candle's high. So you're gonna cross this. It's touching it but not crossing it. Touched it, but didn't cross it. touched this line, but it's not going further quickly as we want. We're not getting that momentum. We're not getting momentum trade again. What's going on? The market has not had, this market has not had a lot of momentum and energy. See, is it gonna cross this high? It touched it but didn't cross it. Crossed it but didn't. What's going on here? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 tails. 4 tails usually is not a good sign for me. And here as well, the problem is I'm seeing a Death Star. You see this? I'm seeing a cross, which doesn't spell anything exciting for me. Okay, good enough. Let's hope it gets momentum to cross this line and cross the previous high. And give us 2 points. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If it crosses this line, good. Oh man, already. Wow. It was very sudden, very, the reversals are brutal. Maybe we should always expect that. See, it crosses this line. You can make some profit. One, up. That being said, I'm almost close to exiting right now because we're not getting that momentum. It's not pushing up fast enough. 8:47. It's a long trade session. You're gonna push through this. Give us 1 or 2 candles outside of that level. That'd be amazing if it did reach this level here. Just give us some time. Wow, this is insane. This is insane. Okay. We've won. So whatever you do now, it's okay. We have won, ladies and gentlemen. We have won. If it reverses, I'll just exit. But we've won. God. We did well. We did well. We predicted that it would touch this level, and it did. Man, that was an interesting trade. Very, very frustrating. Then we just had a good 3 points. Wow, now it's moving. Now it's moving. Beautiful. see if it reverses past this stop loss. We're gonna exit. Okay, we exited. Look at this sign here. Look at this sign. It's an amazing reversal sign. Wow, what an interesting trade this morning. Super frustrating. What I love about the market is when you look at it from hindsight, it seems like, oh, you know what, I would just get here and I would exit here because, you know, when you go on the low, then you exit on the high. But it's never that simple. It's never that simple. Life is never that simple. The journey. When we watch the journey written in books, it seems that decisions, the journey of a hero written in books, decisions seem very clear cut. But in this reality here, you've been with me since, I would say, this trade here that we risked and didn't work out. Lost some money here. From here all the way up, it's been a struggle. Struggle. It's been un struggle. Look at all those. But that's, you know, that trade here at 841 is the one good trade. That's the one good trade. This trade here, as they say right there. Cross, confirmation, get in, and you hope for the best. And from here, 58, that's 4 points. 4 points. That's it. Thank you very much. I forgot to say to subscribe. I need to do a better job of that. Subscribe and watch me trade every day. There's a lot to learn. And what I'm noticing is, do you know the bully who oftentimes would pick on you, trying to get you to get mad, and when you never did, eventually became your best friend? I think that's the same way the market is. The market pushes you, pushes your buttons, tries to have you renege or forget your own rules, tries to get you mad, gives you false hope. But the moment you know how to speak market, how to speak trade, all you need is just one good trade. Thank you. See you tomorrow.